So hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll talk about 10 essential Python skills all data scientists should master. All data scientists need expertise in Python, but which skills are the most important for them to master? Find out the 10 most vital Python skills in the latest rundown. This article is a contribution from our community and has been edited for clarity and accuracy by DataCamp. Python is one of the most in demand programming languages in the world, especially in data science. Stack Overflow's 2022 developer survey ranked Python fourth in their list of most popular technologies and third in their list of technologies developers want to learn. After all, Python offers developers a wide range of tools, frameworks, and libraries for various applications in the data science world and beyond. As Python is one of the most crucial tools in the industry, companies need developers with expertise in Python to get their data insights and beyond up to scratch. They accomplish this either by hiring the old-fashioned way with in-house permanent developers or by partnering with outsourcing providers to help with their Python development needs. However, before companies embark on a Python focused hiring journey and before developers start applying for these roles, both parties must know the most important Python skills that devs in data science simply must have in their wheelhouse. The top 10 Python based data science skills. As one of the most popular data science programming languages, Python is an incredibly helpful tool with a variety of applications in the field. To succeed in this field, developers have to understood not only Python as a language itself but also its frameworks, tools, and other skills associated with the field. Many Python certifications focus on these skills. The first one is Python fundamentals. A data scientist's main work is to use data to extract actionable insights that help with various factors in a business, study, and so on. This process requires quite a bit of Python programming skills for each step. As such, data scientists must have a solid understanding of Python programming fundamentals to write the most effective code for their job and to understand the code bases of of other developers or teammates. A few of the basic Python programming fundamentals that data scientists must master include data types. Python offers many built-in data types, including floats, integers, and strings. And developers must know the difference between each and when to use them. Operators. Python features special operating symbols that help developers perform specific operations on one or more commands. These operators include addition, subtraction, and multiplication. The next ones are variables. In Python, variables allow developers to store value in a program. They also create variables by assigning them to a value with the equal sign. Lists are ordered collection of items and they are very useful for storing data and requires accessing in a particular order. Or developers use lists for sorting multiple items of the same data type. Dictionaries. A dictionary is a Python in Python is a collective of key value pairs. They are useful in storing data that requires accessing with a unique key. Functions. A function is a code block that performs a specific task and isn't reusable multiple times in one program. Defining and calling functions is a vital part of Python development. Content structures. These are code blocks that determine the execution of other code blocks. Common examples of control structures include if statements, for loops, and while loops. Modules and packages. A module is a file containing Python code, and a package is a collection of modules. Developers have to know about how to import and use modules and packages, especially when creating larger and more complex Python programs.